Right then, in this video I'm going to show you how to produce this sort of line here. This is a spline. So what I'm going to do quickly here is delete this, these current lines, so I can show you how to do this from scratch. This line here is part of it, but I'm going to leave that in place. Okay, so you can see that is 6mm wide. So I'm going to leave this in place just to make it easy to show you to do it. And that line is, so it's 6mm wide and it's 0.5 millimetre above the top of the screw thread. So first thing I do is I'm going to put my construction layer on. I'm going to draw a rectangle from the end, the right hand end of that line. Bear with me. Now this is how I would draw a spline in, but obviously I have done my construction line. That's where I'm going to put it. So the construction line is going to help me ensure that I've got it in the right place. So select my construction layer, REC for rectangle, and I'm going to start it here. It measures 13.4, press tab, and then it's 8.7 in height. You can still see the dimension there from the spline I've already removed. It might not show up in the video very well because I like to have dark green construction lines for my eyes, but you'll be able to see it when you do it. Selecting now, I've gone back to layers and I've selected my visible line layer because I want to draw the spline. So the spline there is that little squiggly line up in the menu. The shortcut is SPL and that will give you a spline. So I've clicked it several times to set my path, my spline path, and I press. You can press escape or spacebar to stop it. Now, if I select this spline, you can see it's got these things here, these little points. They're called nodes, and if I click on those, I can adjust the curvature of the line. I've just very quickly there pulled that part down, and it's actually worked quite nicely. So I quite like that curve. So I'm going to mirror this now, using the centre of that line and then snapping to the vertical line, and that gives me a perfect mirror image across. And the last thing to do is just put a line from that point straight across to that point, press spacebar to get out of it, and you can see I've produced a nice symmetrical shape including two splines.